7th of April is always observed as World Health Day. Without taking much time, firstly let me begin with introductions of World Health Day. World Health Day is Global Health Awareness Day celebrated on 7th of April every year under the sponsorship of World Health Organization. The first World Health Day on 7th of April each year with effect from 1950. World Health Day is held to mark WHO founding and is seen as an opportunity by the organization to drive worldwide attention to a subject of major importance for global health each year. World Health Day is one of eight official global health annual campaign marked by WHO, along with World Tuberculosis Day, World Malaria Day, World Immunization Week, World AIDS Day, World My Right. Our next speaker, Harshita, is going to speak on today's theme.
Wishing a very pleasant morning to every individual present over here. Around the world, the right to health of millions is increasingly coming under threat. Diseases and disasters loom large as causes of death and disability. Conflicts are devastating life, causing death, pain, hunger, and psychological distress. The burning of fossil fuels is simultaneously driving the climate crisis that is taking away our right to breathe clean air with indoor and outdoor air pollution that is claiming a life every 5 seconds. The WHO Council on the Economic of Health has found that at least 140 countries recognize health as a human right in their constitution. Yet, many countries are not passing and putting into practice laws to ensure their population are entitled to have access to quality health services. This underpins the fact that at least 4.5 billion people, more than half of the world's population, is not fully covered by essential health services in 2021. To address these types of challenges, the theme for World Health Day 2024 is My Health, My Right. This year's theme was chosen to champion the right of everyone, everywhere, to have access to quality health services, education, information, as well as safe drinking water, clean air, good nutrition. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Now I would like to call Kunsal on the stage to tell you about Eat Healthy to Stay Healthy.
Good morning to everyone present over here. I'm going to expedite on Eat Healthy to Stay Healthy. Health is the prerequisite for any venture. Health is wealth, as all the wealth of any sort that one wants to possess can be had only if one is healthy. Suppose a man wishes to enjoy his life to the maximum. For this, he requires abundant supply of resources such as money, luxuries, a company of like-minded friends, etc. Suppose he has all of this except health. Do you think he will be able to enjoy his life? No, not at all. Life's luxuries can only be enjoyed only when one is healthy. A balanced and a nutritious diet is the most essential factor for ensuring health and fitness. Virginia Woolf rightly said, one cannot think well, live well, sleep well, if one has not dined well. It is a well-established truth that a balanced diet is the first prerequisite for a healthy and a happy life. Health is the first prerequisite for a successful life. Only a country whose people are healthy can dream, dare, achieve national goals of growth, development and prosperity. Only a balanced diet can provide all these nutrients, minerals, vitamins, fibers, etc. to keep the metabolism of the body working optimally. Clinically, it is proven that any deficiency of vital vitamins and minerals may lead to the development of serious diseases. And all these essential vitamins and minerals can only be obtained from a balanced and a nutritious diet. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that we must eat vitamin and mineral enriched diet every day to stay healthy. Now I would like to call my co-partner Kesan Chodanla to give a speech on good health. Thank you.
Present here, respected principal sir, worthy teachers, and all the students present here. Today, I am here to deliver a speech on good health. In human life, health is essential. Health is wealth. If an individual is wealthy, but his health is poor, then there is no use of his wealth. To live a good and happy life, an individual should have good health. Health is a primary cause of many things in life, such as work, stress, thoughts, etc. If an individual is healthy, he will do well in his job or work. He will be free from many illnesses, and he will be emotionally calm and healthy. For a good health, a healthy diet, nutrition, and exercise should be observed. World Health Day, to understand the importance of health and to draw people's attention to health, is celebrated worldwide. Health is essential for everyone, especially for children. Most of the time spent in kindergarten, preschool, and school. Many illnesses are infectious and they are easy prey when they are around other school students. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech by encouraging all of you in this World Health Day to pay attention to your health, adopt good food habits. As much as possible, consider eating home-cooked meal. Thank you. Next, I would like to call Rajesh to continue with this topic, why we should not drink soda and soft drinks. Thank you.
A very warm good morning to our respected principal sir, worthy teachers, and dear students. I am Rajesh Agri of class 12D, and today I will be presenting a speech on the topic why we should avoid soda. Soft drinks and sodas like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Sting, Dew, etc. have developed into a necessity in the lives of many people. They are sweet, bubbly, and more importantly, they are accessible to anyone, anywhere. No matter how much you love it, consuming these sweet drinks has a price. Here are some major reasons in favor of choosing health drinks instead of soft drinks. First, excessive sugar. Soft drinks like Coca-Cola and Pepsi are loaded with sugar, which can lead to weight gain, obesity, and health diseases like diabetes. A single can of soda can contain more sugar than the recommended daily intake. Second, zero nutrition. These drinks provide no nutrition value. Consuming them means you are taking in empty calories, which can contribute to your overall health. Third, bad for teeth and oral health. The high sugar content non-soft drinks contain can lead to tooth decay and cavities. Acidity in the soda can weaken your enamel, making your teeth more prone to damage. Fourth, bad for bone health. Phosphoric acid present in these sodas can interfere in the calcium absorption, potentially weakening your bones and increasing the risk of fractures. Fifth, artificial sweetness. Diet soda might seem like a healthy option, but it contains artificial sweetness which has its own sets of concerns. The risk includes impact on metabolism and stomach's overall health. Sixth, increased risk of chronic diseases. The regular consumption of these sweet drinks has been linked to an increased risk of heart diseases, kidney problems, and even certain types of cancers. Seventh, impact digestion problem. The carbonation present in these sodas can lead to bloating, gas, and indigestion. Eventually, these issues can impact your overall digestive health. Thank you. Now, I would like to call Minky, who is going to tell you about why you should avoid instant noodles.
Good morning, everyone. Why we should avoid instant noodles like ramen, Maggi, and YY? Instant noodles have become a popular food choice in recent years because they are cheap, easy to prepare, and convenient. However, there are some negative health effects associated with consuming instant noodles very often.
While all these junks and drinks might be tempting, their negative effect on health cannot be ignored. By removing this all from your diet, you are taking significant steps towards the healthier lifestyle. You can always go for various other options available in the market like water, herbal tea, and natural fruit juices and fresh juices to quench your thirst and nourish your body. Before we leave this stage, on the behalf of my team, I would like to convey heartfelt thanks to our school health committee for providing us this platform to talk to you on World Health Day. Thank you, everyone.